Hi students, welcome back to Max video classes. So in the last video we completed first three sums in exercise 3.6. So in this video we continue that exercise. Let's see the fourth one. So in the fourth one, the given pair of equations are 5 by x minus 1 plus y by y minus 2 is equal to 2 and 6 by x minus 1 minus 3 by y minus 2 is equal to 1. So these are the two given pair of equations and we reduce these two equations to linear equations and then you solve them. Why? Because they are the equations, they are not the linear equations. Why? Because here in these two equations the variable term presents in the denominator, so that's why they are the equations only. Why? Because here we observe equal to relation, so we reduce, that means we convert these two equations to pair of linear equations and then we solve the two equations. Okay, so first write down the given equations. Here the two given equations are 5 by x minus 1 plus y by y minus 2 is equal to 2, and the second equation is 6 by x minus 1 minus 3 by y minus 2 is equal to 1. So these are the two given equations. Okay, so first we reduce these two equations to linear equations by taking another two variables. So first we choose the two variables. Okay, for doing that, here I am presenting these two equations like this. So the first equation is 5 by x minus 1 plus y by 1 by y minus 2 is equal to 2. So now I am writing this equation as 5 into 1 by x minus 1 plus 1 by y minus 2 is equal to 2, and the second equation here I am writing 6 into 1 by x minus 1 minus 3 into 1 by y minus 2, it is equal to 1. So when you observe these two equations, here it is very clear. Here one factor of the first term of the first equation is 1 by x minus 1, and the same factor is repeated in the second equation, first term 1 by x minus 1. Here the second factor of the second term is 1 by y minus 2. The same factor is in the second equation, that is 1 by y minus 2. Okay, now putting a is equal to 1 by x minus 1 and b is equal to 1 by y minus 2. Okay, so then the two equations are changes to, if a is equal to 1 by x minus 1 and b is equal to 1 by y minus 2, then the first equation is changes to 5a plus b is equal to 2. Here I am writing 1 by x minus 1 as a and 1 by y minus 2 as b. So the first equation it changes to 5a plus b is equal to 2. Let us take, this is the first equation, and the second given equation is changes to 6a minus 3b is equal to 1. This is minus 6a minus 3b is equal to 1. So instead of 1 by x minus 1, here I am taking a, and instead of 1 by y minus 2, here I am taking b. So the second equation it changes to 6a minus 3b is equal to 1. So this is the second equation. Okay, now solve these two equations by any one algebraic method, either elimination method or substitution method or cross multiplication method. Okay, here I am choosing elimination method. I am solving these two equations by elimination method. So already the two equations are one by one. Okay, so to eliminate the variable b, here I multiplied the first equation by 3. Okay, so 5a into 3, it is equal to 15a plus 3b, 3 into b, 3b, it is equal to 3 to 6. And the second equation as it is, 6a minus 3b is equal to 1. Okay, now here the signs are different, so add these two equations. So 15a plus 6a, it is equal to 21a plus 3b minus 3b cancel, so 6 plus 1, it is equal to 7. So a is equal to 7 by 21, it is equal to 1 by 3. So a is equal to 1 by 3. Now substituting this a value either in equation 1 or equation 2. Here I am substituting this a value in equation 2. Okay, here what is the second equation? The second equation is 6a minus 3b is equal to 1. So 6 into a means 1 by 3 minus 3 into b is equal to 1. So 3, 6, 2 times. So 2 into 1, 2 minus 3b is equal to 1. Minus 3b is equal to 1 minus 2. So minus 3b is equal to minus 1. b is equal to minus 1 by minus 3. Minus minus cancel, it is equal to 1 by 3. So a is equal to 1 by 3 and b is equal to 1 by 3. But a is equal to what we are taken? It is equal to 1 by x minus 1. So therefore a is equal to 1 by 3. But a is equal to 1 by x minus 1. It is equal to 1 by 3. So when you are writing the reciprocal of reciprocal both sides, x minus 1 is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3 plus 1. X is equal to 4. And b is equal to 1 by 3. But b is equal to 1 by y minus 2. So 1 by y minus 2 is equal to 1 by 3. So when we write the reciprocal on both sides, so then y minus 2 is equal to 3. Then y is equal to 3 plus 2. Y is equal to 5. So x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 5. So this is the required solution of the given two equations. Okay, so this is the fourth one. And when you come to the fifth one, so first given equations, 7x minus 2y by xy is equal to 5. This is the first equation. And 8x plus 7y by xy is equal to 15. So this is the second equation. Now we change these two equations to pair of linear equation. They are not linear equation, they are the equations. Keep in your mind, why? Because the variable terms present in the denominator. So here to reduce these two equations as a pair of linear equations, we introduce two another variables a and b. So here which value we are taken as, that means which factor we are taken as a and which factor we are taken as b, can you define from this given equations? No, that is not possible. So that's why here I do one thing. So if you are observe the first equation, 7x minus 2y by xy is equal to 5. This is the given first equation. Okay, and when you observe the left side part of this equation, here you have a common denominator of the two terms of the numerator. That means here the denominator xy is the common denominator of the two terms in the numerator. Here what are the two terms in the numerator? They are 7x and minus 2y whole by xy. That means this is the common denominator of 7x and minus 2y. Now I split this common denominator to these two terms in the numerator. Okay, now the first equation it changes to 7x by xy minus 2y by xy. I hope you understand what is happening here. Okay, so generally, in case if you are simplify any two fractions like this, generally what we did, here the denominator is 3, here the denominator is 3. So we are taken this 3 as the common denominator of these two rational numbers, and we simplify the numerators directly. Why? Because 3 is the common denominator. Now here what I am doing? Just the reverse process. Now the 3 is the common denominator of these two numbers in the numerator. Now I split this common denominator to these two terms. That means I am moving the reverse process. Here I am applying that application. Here the xy is the common denominator of two terms in the numerator. Now I split this common denominator to the two terms. Then the equation changes to 7x by x into y minus 2y by x into y. It is equal to 5. Now x cancel, y cancel. Then the equation is 7 by y minus 2 by x is equal to 5. Apply the same process in the second equation also. Here also we have a common denominator. Now split this common denominator to two terms of the numerator. That means 8x by xy plus 7y by xy is equal to 15. Now x cancel, y cancel. So the equation is 8 by y plus 7 by x is equal to 15. Now observe the two equations. I think we choose the two variable values from these two equations very easy. Why? Because here 1 by y is there, here 1 by y is there, here 1 by x is there, here 1 by x is there. That means here I am presenting the first equation as 7 into 1 by y minus 2 into 1 by x is equal to 5, and the second equation here I am presenting as 8 into 1 by y plus 7 into 1 by x is equal to 15. Now let's take this 1 by y and 1 by x as a and b. Putting 1 by y is equal to a and 1 by x is equal to b. Then the two equations are changes to 7a minus 2b is equal to 5. This is the first equation, and 8a plus 7b is equal to 15. So this is the second equation. Now solve these two equations by either elimination method or substitution method. Okay, here I am solving these two equations by elimination method. So that's why here I multiplied the first equation by 7 and the second equation I multiplied by 2. Okay, 7a into 7, 49a minus 2b into 7, 14b is equal to 5 into 7, 35. And the second equation 8a into 2, 16a plus 7b into 2 plus 14b is equal to 15 into 2, 30. Now add these two equations. Why? Because here the signs are different. So that's why add these two equations. 49a plus 16a, it is equal to 65a plus minus 14b plus 14b get cancelled. 35 plus 30, it is equal to 65. So a is equal to 65 by 65. It is equal to 1. Now substitute this a value in either in equation 1 or equation 2. Here I am substituting this a value in equation 1. So 7 into 1 minus 2b is equal to 5. 7 minus 2b is equal to 5. Minus 2b is equal to 5 minus 7. Minus 2b is equal to minus 2. So b is equal to minus 2 by minus 2. That implies b is equal to 1. So here a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 1. So therefore a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 1. But a means it is equal to 1 by y. So 1 by y is equal to 1 and b means it is equal to 1 by x is equal to 1. So if 1 by y is equal to 1, then y is equal to 1, and if 1 by x is equal to 1, then x is equal to 1. So this is the required solution of the given two equations. Okay, so let's come to the next one, sixth one. So in the sixth one, the given two equations are 6x plus 3y is equal to 6xy, and 2x plus 4y is equal to 5xy. Can you define the degree of these two equations? Yeah, its degree is 2. Why? Because in the right side part here we have one term. That term is xy term. So exponent of the x is 1 and the exponent of y is 1. So its degree is 2. That means the given two equations are quadratic equations in two variables. Do you know how to solve them? We don't know. Why? Because now we are in pair of linear equations in one variables only. One variable only. Not variables, it's variable. But here the given two equations are quadratic equations in two variables. We don't know how to solve them. So first we change these two equations to pair of linear equations in two variables. Okay, so to change them, first we transpose this xy, to left side. Okay, so 6x plus 3y by xy. So 6 into xy, 6 is multiplied by xy. So when you transpose this xy to left side, it divides. 6x plus 3y by xy is equal to 6. And the second equation also we apply the same. Transpose this xy to left side. Then 2x plus 4y by xy is equal to 5. Now split the denominator to the two terms of the numerator. So 6x by xy plus 3y by xy is equal to 6. Here also you do the same. 2x by xy plus 4y by xy is equal to 5. So x y cancel. X y cancel. Now the first equation, the first given equation, it changes to 6 by y plus 3 by x is equal to 6, and the second given equation it changes to 2 by y plus 4 by x is equal to 5. Now putting 1 by y is equal to a and 1 by x is equal to b. Okay, now the two equations are changes to 6a plus 3b is equal to 6 and 2a plus 4b is equal to 5. So this is the first equation and this is the second equation. So to solve these two equations, here I am multiplying the first equation by 1 and the second equation by 3. Okay, so 6a into 1, 6a plus 3b into 1, 3b, it is equal to 6 into 1, 6, and 2a into 3, 6a plus 4b into 3, 12b is equal to 5 into 3, 15. Here signs are same, so that's why subtract the second equation from the first equation. So that's why we change the signs of the second equation. So plus 6a minus 6a get cancelled, plus 3b minus 12b, it is equal to minus 9b is equal to 6 minus 15 minus 9. So b is equal to minus 9 by minus 9, then b is equal to 1. Now substituting this b value in equation 3, equation 1. Okay, so 6a plus 3 into 1 is equal to 6. So 6a plus 3 is equal to 6. 6a is equal to 6 minus 3. 6a is equal to 3. So a is equal to 3 by 6. So a is equal to 1 by 2. So therefore a is equal to 1 by 2 and b is equal to 1. But a is equal to 1 by y is equal to 1 by 2 and b is equal to 1 by x is equal to 1. So if 1 by y is equal to 1 by 2, then y is equal to, when you write the reciprocal of on both sides, so y is equal to 2, and if 1 by x is equal to 1, then x is equal to 1. So this is the required solution of the given two equations. Okay, let's stop here. Remaining sums we will continue in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.